Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube videos to your design. So all you have to do now, you can open Canva. This is Canva PC version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. In order to start, you can simply click Design Essential under the apps. Then you can scroll down and try to find this one. YouTube. Add YouTube videos to your design. Created by Canva PTA Limited. PTY Limited. Make videos a seamless part of your next presentation. Add YouTube content straight inside Canva and watch your favorite videos when you hit play. So you can click use in new design or you can use your existing design. Example, my project here. So here we go. So in order to add YouTube videos, you can simply click search from YouTube. For example, Mount or Alps here. Click and here we go. You can adjust the size of the videos and reposition, and also you can try to rotate your videos and so on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also the next button below. See you in the next video.